Hi, my name is Jen Martinel Antiborda, a civil engineering student here at UPLB. Born and raised in the city of Seven Lakes, San Pablo City, Laguna. Growing up in a place surrounded by both natural beauty and developing communities made me more aware of how important science and technology are in people's daily lives. For me, science, technology, and society is not just a course. It helped me understand the connection between science, technology, and real-world situations. It changed my perspective by showing that research and innovation are not just for academics, but are essential tools that will help and provide solutions.
Hi, I'm Alexandra Mizan, a second-year BS Materials Engineering student here at UPLB. And I actually live here in Los Baños, Laguna, a town nestled at the foot of Mount Makiling where nature and science have always existed side by side. Before I took STS, I thought research was something that only happened in labs, with people in white coats. But this course flipped that completely. It made me realize that every material I study, every alloy, every polymer has a story that connects science to real people, real problems, and real lives. STS taught me that innovation isn't just about what's new, it's about what's needed.
Hello, my name is Von Nicolo G. Manguiat, currently taking the course of BS Civil Engineering here in UP Los Baños. I was born in the city known as the birthplace of our national hero, Calamba City, Laguna. In our current society, the relevance of science and technology is evidenced by their presence in our daily lives, from doing simple activities up to more complex ones. The course Science, Technology, and Society shifted my perspective towards the concepts and relationships between the three essential components. It made me realize that research and innovation serves as the driving force of society in finding solutions to real-world problems, leading to its overall betterment.
Hi, I am Ariel Bindi Pionco. I am currently a BA Communication Arts student here at UPLB. Straight from the most populous city in the country, the City of Stars, Quezon City. The course Science, Technology, and Society truly changed my perspective and outlook on development and research. After observing the difference between Quezon City's chaotic urbanized city environment and Los Baños Laguna's peaceful, scenic nature's beauty, the course made me realize the deep understanding and importance of research and innovation for the total development of our society as a whole.
Hello, ako si Mark Aldrich Diang pa. Ako'y taga Quezon at Timona. Tsaka fun fact sa akin ay kaliwet niya ako. Yung outlook ko sa STS ay parang napapansin ko na ganoon pala talaga ako konektado yung technology at sa science. Sinasabi ko, viewpoint ko lang is kailangan nating tingnan ang sarili nating STS or Science and Technology at i-develop natin para maka-assist tayo sa mundo.
Hi, I am Caleb Soriano, a BS Economics student here in UPLB, born and raised in my hometown, the spring resort capital of the Philippines, Calamba City. For me, the subject of science, technology, and society has shown me why research and innovation are crucial in building up a nation. The Philippines is a country that is rich in natural resources, and as a nation that has been reliant on importation, once we see the importance of innovation and research, as time goes by, we won't be relying on other countries for providing us the goods and services that we need for our day-to-day. We start producing products that's made for the Filipino market and potentially reach international markets as we develop and innovate.
As a civil engineering student who will manage infrastructures within the community in the future, this view raised my awareness on the importance of sufficient research in our field to create a safe community. Think Research, Think Innovate enables me to explore beyond the norm and discover innovative solutions to current societal problems. As a part of the community, it provides a viable approach towards improving the state of the society as a whole that leads to an enhanced quality of life.
Think research, think innovative. Honestly, that phrase hit differently for me as a materials engineering student. Think about it, the phone in your hands, the bridge you cross, the packaging around your lunch. All of it starts with someone asking, can we do this better? That's research. And then someone answering, yes, and here's how. That's innovation. Growing up in Los Baños, right beside Erie, one of the world's most important agricultural research centers, I've seen what it looks like when research actually meets community needs. Rice varieties that survive floods, technologies that feed millions. That didn't come from nowhere. It came from people who chose to think. As a future materials engineer, I want to be part of that chain, with hopes that the material I develop someday could end up in a solar panel powering a barangay, or a water filtration system for a community that needs it.
Research and innovation are commonly associated with the sciences. As a commerce student, research and innovation can be applied in the arts and humanities as well. Frameworks and theories created from research enable us to have a deeper understanding of language, society, and culture. Innovation allows us to provide the science, technology, and knowledge to those who most need it in our society, fulfilling a goal of this course.
Think research, think innovative is a mindset that encourages me to understand problems first before solving them. As a civil engineering student, this is important because it helps me create designs that are safer, more efficient, and more suitable for the community. In real life, this mindset pushes me to think beyond what already exists. It encourages me to find better and more sustainable solutions. In our community, this can lead to improvements in infrastructure, safety, and overall living conditions. It helps drive people to do better and contribute to progress.
The mindset of think research, think innovative is not just a way of thinking. We are challenged to further develop our scientific and technological capabilities. As a person who studies economics, I find that this mindset of think research, think innovative is an avenue for us to shift the course of our economy. We can learn to manufacture our own products using our own materials, make our own brands, produce instead of importing basic commodities, and increase our global standing as a developing country. As a result, we not only strengthen our capabilities in the field of science and technology, but also impact our community. Through this, we can provide people with jobs, grow our local industries, and improve on our cost of living.
Do you think the Philippines is ready to be a research-driven nation?
I think we have the minds for it. What we need is the mindset.
Right? Because research isn't just for PhDs. It's for anyone willing to ask good questions and refuse to stop until they find the real answers.
And innovation doesn't always mean inventing from scratch. Sometimes it's just solving an old problem in a smarter way.
As students, so much of what we learn is for finding better, more accessible solutions. But if that knowledge never leaves the classroom and never reaches communities, what's the point?
It has to be for people, not just for journals.
The mindset our nation needs is one where research and innovation are everyday tools, not distant academic things.
This generation doesn't just need to consume technology. We need to create it.
So, how do you think research and innovation will help our community in the future?
I think it starts with people becoming more curious. Instead of just accepting problems, we should start asking questions and looking for better solutions.
That's true. In engineering, research helps us create safer and more efficient designs, while innovations help us adapt to challenges like climate change and population growth.
It's not just for professionals. Even students and ordinary people can contribute. Some simple ideas can lead to meaningful changes if we're willing to think differently.
Exactly. If we value research, we build knowledge. And if we think innovatively, we can turn that knowledge into real solutions.
That mindset can help our community and our country grow stronger and more prepared for the future.
It allows us not just to face problems, but to solve them in a smarter and more sustainable way.
Ito, question lang. If everyone in our society thinks research and innovative, do you believe it will help in the development of our nation?
Oo, mas lalo na kapag sa sarili natin itutungo yung isipan or yung train of thought na yan. At ito yung makapagdala ng malaking development sa bansa natin. Or mas intimately sa sarili natin sitwasyon.
Tama. Kasi if we want to encourage everyone to think research and think innovative, we ourselves must begin with that kind of mindset.
Yun ang talaga kasi harap natin sa hadlang na pagiging bansa na may kakayanan, na may ability to stand next to the giants na that we depend on as of right now.
Yes, and if we think research, we can find different ways and approaches to catch up in terms of development and economy with the giants of the world.
Marami pa tayong matadala sa mapapala sa research natin kung nakafocus tayo sa development. Tsaka, past nun, meron pa naman tayong think innovative, di ba?
Meron tayo. We think innovative, our nation can be more capable of handling new and improved technology, for that will be beneficial for the development of our nation.
Think innovation. Think research. Think SDS.